everyone! Welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with Mona and Mish. Today we're going to be making a couscous dish with chicken and garbanzo beans. So these are the ingredients you need to get started. We're going to have 1 pound of chicken, 2 cans of garbanzo beans, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of tumeric, 1.5 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, and then 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic,
lemon juice,
3 tablespoons of lemon juice,
and cooking oil around 4 tablespoons. And just want to make a comment here. For the chicken, I use chicken breast and I cut it small pieces. The reason I cut it small pieces, not cubes, just so it will cook faster, okay? But it's up to you. If you like to cut it cubes, then you can do that. And the salt, you can adjust it later after you cook it. You can taste it. If you need more salt, you can add more salt. And here for the couscous, you want me to say it, Michelle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for the couscous, I follow the instruction of the box. So here the box, it says for each cup of couscous we use 1.5 cups of water. So that's what I'm gonna use. But I'm gonna cook 3 cups, which is enough for 4 people. So 3 cups of couscous, I'll use 4.5 cups of water. Of course, I use boiling water. And for salt, I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, which is I use the avocado oil. Now we're gonna go to the stove and show you how we're gonna cook it. And here we added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use avocado oil. Now I feel the oil when it gets hot a little bit. I can add the chicken. I'm gonna just spread it in the pan. Now I'm just gonna add the spices, half of the spices, and the salt, half of it, not all of it. And now it took some color from the bottom. Now I'm just gonna flip it over. I'm just gonna mix it together, all together. I just want it one side to take a color, and then later on we're gonna cook it with the sauce. I'm just gonna mix it together, all together. I just want it one side to take a color, and then later on we're gonna cook it with the sauce. And then we just mixed it for like 1 minute, and then we take it to the side. We put it in clean plate. Now in the same pan, we're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The onion, I cut it slices, not too thick and not too thin. So that's the width of it. Now the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the onion. And now I'm gonna add the rest of the salt and spices. Salt and turmeric, black pepper, and allspice. Now we mix it all together with the spices. You can see you may need a little bit oil, so I think I'm gonna need another 1 tablespoon of oil. This measurement is 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna put half of it. Now I'm gonna put the heat on medium-low, and I'm gonna cover it till the onions become translucent. Now we're going to cook the couscous. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This is how it looks like. It's called pearl couscous. The oil is not too hot. I want to put this. I don't want to toast it. I want it just to mix it with the oil. So this is 1. Just I mix the oil with it like this. And now I'll add the salt. Now I'm gonna add the boiling water, 4.5 cups. Now I added the water. I'm gonna mix it. I'm covering it. It's on a high heat, but it's the small stove. I'm gonna cover it till it absorbs all the water. And I'll just check on it time to time, make sure it doesn't stick to the pot. Now the onion after 10 minutes, it's not translucent yet, but at this stage I want to add the garlic. Now this is the garlic, I just smash them with a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna mix it together, and then I'll cover it till the onion gets translucent. Now you can see how it starts foaming, so I turned it on medium heat. Now here the onion looks ready. So it is not completely translucent. Now we're going to add the chicken. And now the garbanzo beans, after I washed it and drained it, I'm going to add it into the onion and the chicken. And we mix it together. Now we're going to add boiling water. So we added 4 cups of boiling water. Now we put the heat on a little bit high, and then we turn it to medium high, and we cover it and we let it cook for about like 10 minutes. Just be careful, once in a while it foams up. I just remove the cover a little bit. Now look, it still have water on it, so we need all the water to be absorbed. Now the water all got absorbed, so I'm gonna put it on low heat, cover it and put it on low heat so it doesn't burn. Now we're gonna just taste it, take a little bit of the juice and taste it, see if it needs anything, any salt or spices. Tastes good, no need for additional spices. So at this stage we are gonna add the lemon juice. And that's it, it's ready. I'm just gonna let it cook for another few minutes. Now the couscous is ready. We just make sure fluff it. We're gonna cover it and turn it off. The same thing, now it's ready. The chicken is ready.
Hi everyone, this is my best friend Morgan.
Hi.
And today she's gonna help us taste out the food. Are you excited?
Super.
So how would you rate my mom's cooking?
It's an 11 out of 10.
Oh, thank you, Morgan.
It's always awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so here's some chicken and garbanzo beans.
Yum.
And then I'm gonna put the juice on it too. Okay, are you ready?
Ready. I'm excited.
Okay, here we go. It might be a little hot, so just be careful. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Delicious.
Really good. We love it.
If you end up trying it, let us know how you like it in the comments below.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
Bye.
I said please share. she meant to say like tell them to like, comment, subscribe. That's what she meant.
And share, yeah,
Okay.
and share.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
she's
Please like,
right.
No, you're right, but
She's right. Okay.
say the beginning part too, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.